we have our outdoor sump pump with drainage system installed. In addition to that, we've installed 2 walkways and 2 patios, along with the 3rd walkway in the front. Inside the sump pump basin, you've got your 7,000 gallon per hour pump. The drainage system drains directly into the pit. The sump pump ejection line, as you can see here, routes through this tunnel, ejecting the water on the other side of this hill. The electrical conduit, as you can see in here as well, snakes through here and is attached to the post. And this basin is sitting inside a 10 foot by 10 foot by 40 inch deep base dry well. So it has the capacity to hold a tremendous amount of water. We've got 4 4-inch perforated PVC pipes that are wrapped in soil separator fabric, surrounded by this decorative river stone. Because what was happening here, this entire property was a lake. But after this drainage job, not anymore. In addition to this outdoor sump pump with dry well basin, we have 2 16 by 16 modified drain boxes. They're modified by having holes drilled on all the sides, and they're surrounded with clean gravel wrapped in filter fabric with decorative river stone on the surface. This system has a tremendous capacity for both collecting and expelling water. We completed this walkway using traditional brick. Required quite a few cuts. In fact, a lot of cuts. And as you can see, we applied the mortar mix bead to retain the bricks in place. After that sets up a little, we're gonna grade this excavated soil out, and it'll be a wrap.